Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, we're off to a friend's cottage. Let's go. I don't have time to explain. Yet.
When every song that plays is loved by everyone in the car, it makes your errands more fun. Positive.
We'll have lots of fun at the cottage. But, you know, a flight somewhere would be nice as well, no? And, of course, sitting in traffic. But, I mean, you know, it is about the destination. Keep slugging it out, doing, 30 kilometers an hour, and eventually we'll get there. Maybe we can find some nice cars to ogle over as we're driving. So I said we'd find some cars. Will this do? Just pulled off to grab something to eat. Get away from the traffic for a little bit. Well, it's looking like we're gonna get there after the sun has set, so I guess I will show you where we are in the morning. That is Omar behind me. Blinding lights. Damn you, Omar! Damn! Out here is awesome. Can be as loud as you want. Oh my goodness, imagine having a garage out in the middle of nowhere, as my wife has called it. It'd be awesome. You can hammer until 2, 3 in the morning if you feel like working on the car. Gas smells, oil smells, not worrying about are the neighbors smelling that? Are they hearing that noise? Nah, you just do what you want. Last night we stayed up until late, catching up, chit-chatting, watching John Wick, arguing whether it was 2, 3, or 4 on. It was 3. It was like the last, I don't know, maybe quarter of the movie. Alright, well, time to get up. This is our view. Nice fire pit. Over there. Some people are already out chilling, enjoying the weather, although it looks a little chilly. Alright, let me get sorted and get out there. And if you look really closely, right there, that's my wife, chillaxing on the deck, just floating around. I think I'm going up for breakfast. Some good old-fashioned family fun.
Oh, it's the rail. I'm not getting it. You don't want a railway station? A train station?
Who's winning?
Oh, I did not.
Actually, I'm not getting it. I think between Rhea and Alina. They own the most property.
Okay, are you buying it or not?
What's going on with the adults?
I'm in jail right now.
You're in jail.
Look at this drift.
Backwards drift.
They got pets, look. Yo, they got Aquaman.
Like it was just the blow cup, the alligator soup. The lollipop was wrong. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, they only have like vegetarians.
All my milk.
Daddy, this could shoot water and you could have candy.
Okay. Oh, I gotta call it out now.
Call
He was
what?
making fun. The branding's there too. You're gonna choose an ice cream, Ryan?
Or ice cream all over.
You're gonna choose an ice cream? Yeah, look at the ice cream.
And this is what I ended up getting. Orange sherbet.
Oh, it shows their times too.
Yeah, if you drink it in under 2 minutes, you get your free meal, 5 single scoops of bread and rice.
And break it for me. So how much is the milkshake? $24.
That's hilarious. I could see doing that as a teen, early
But
20s.
that's it.
So we stopped a little longer than anticipated. I got some fries. They had some fries. We had the ice cream. Not in that order. But it's time to get back on the boat. So my wife went into the water, which not the best of ideas, but I mean, I'm freaked out, but sometimes you gotta let people do what they're gonna do, right? And I can swim, but I'm definitely not a strong swimmer. She can swim, but if something happens while she's out there, she's not gonna save herself. So we have someone here that can swim, and he swims like a fish. He just went out almost to the end. Anyway, let me show you where she is and how he's standing waiting if need be. So he's the resident lifeguard. We keep teasing him. My wife is that little dot out there. And James is standing over there, hands on hip, ready to jump in. Yeah, nervous husband. Definitely nervous husband. Now Omar goes out. Wifey came back. I can stop panicking. And now Omar's gone out. Unfortunately, you just missed him going in. That's why he's wet. It wasn't because he wanted to. He's trying to stand up. Can he or can he not do it? That is the question. Nope, he's standing now. Figuring out that weight distribution. Oh, that was a little bit of a panic, but he saved it.
Nice. Young camera, by the way.
Oh, that's nice. Why did you say that?
And he gets it.
I didn't get it.
Any words of wisdom to give to the people?
It's harder than it looks.
Do you need this long one? Daddy, do you need this long one?
That one isn't a crazy small.
Good.
Cool. And that ends this part of the trip, but I think we're going to extend it. Why not? It was a fun ride, good times, good friends, good food. Till next year, Fingers crossed.